In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Evernote notes. Whether you're looking to back up your important information or transfer your notes to another platform, downloading them is a straightforward process. Let's walk through each step together to ensure you feel confident in managing your Evernote data. To start, open up the Evernote desktop application. You'll want to focus on selecting the notes you intend to download. Keep in mind that Evernote allows you to select up to 100 notes at a time. Simply click on the first note, and if you need to select more, you can hold down the Shift key to choose a range or the Control key to select specific individual notes. Once you've made your selections, it's time to move on to the next step. With your notes selected, right-click on the highlighted area. From the context menu that appears, you'll want to choose the Export option. This will open up a new window, giving you several options on how you would like your notes to be saved. Now, we have to decide on the file format. Evernote offers a few different formats for exporting notes, each with its own benefits. If preserving metadata, such as tags, creation dates, and attachments, is important to you, you'll want to opt for the Emacs format. This format is particularly useful if you're planning on backing up your notes or migrating them somewhere else. Alternatively, if your goal is to keep these notes for easy viewing, consider saving them as single-page or multi-page HTML. This way, they're easily accessible in any web browser. Additionally, Evernote provides an option to include or exclude certain attributes, such as tags, the created date, and the author information in your export. This feature gives you some flexibility in deciding just how much detail you want to retain in your downloaded notes, perfect for tailoring the download to your specific needs. Once you've settled on your desired format and attributes, it's time to finalize the process. All that's left to do is click on the Export button. Evernote will then save your notes to your computer, to a location you specify like your desktop or a designated folder. It's always a good idea to double-check the saved location, ensuring you have easy access to your files when needed. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to download Evernote notes. By following these instructions, you can efficiently back up or relocate your notes whenever necessary. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or tips in the comments below. Happy organizing!